Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about case study on Airbus A320 Crosswind landing study. So there we can discuss about the weathercocking effect as well as the static directional stability. Right? It has happened in Airbus A320 at Manchester Airport, UK. So there pilot and engineers face a lot of issues to maintain the aircraft in stable landing. It has happened several times. So let us have a discussion about how the pilots and engineers made the aircraft as a safe landing.
Thank you, sir. The Airbus A320 is known for its aircraft stability and control. And during the crosswind stability, the aircraft will face a strong yawing force to oppose that while it tests its static directional stability. So how we studied it, because how the weathercocking effect will affect the A320. So it was the information from the flight test data and the pilot's feedback. So during the certification period, testing.
What is the weathercocking effect? How it is performance?
So when the crosswind hits the aircraft, this makes the vertical tail fin to experience the aerodynamic forces. This forces the nose to align with the wind. So then this natural tendency to make the aircraft to align with the wind is called the weathercocking effect. This is same like a weather vane. So in flight dynamics, this indicates the positive static directional stability, which helps in returning to the equilibrium after the yaw disturbance.
So during Airbus flight test program, the A320 was tested under crosswind condition up to 30 knots, and sensor measured yaw rudder deflection and side slip angle during approach and touchdown. The pilot performed both craft landing and decraft taking to access yaw stability and control response.
Here we are mentioning that the yaw stability is very important during the crash landing, right?
So the data showed that the crosswind component efficiency increased, and which makes the yawing component coefficient also increase. So this makes the strong static directional stability. So however, at higher wind speeds, the pilots required greater rudder input in order to maintain the structural integrity of the aircraft and to maintain the alignment of the runway alignment. So this showed how aerodynamic stability must be balanced with the control effectiveness.
As a pilot using strong wind, they feel like the aircraft moves smooth turns to the wind. So to control from that, they used opposite rudder motion, and also the ailerons lift to prevent from the drift. During the strong wind, they see the aircraft nose trying to stay move away from the wind. To stay aligned with that, they use an opposite rudder and the aileron to change it during the drift. So from that information from the pilot, they have made an additional thing like tune that into an fly-by-wire system, so which will improve from the yaw damping.
So this feedback from real autopilot system and we implemented using the fly-by-wire controls that should be quick and reactive so that it will be aligned to the flight runway. Next is
So on the engineering point of view, so both the vertical fin area and the rudder authority are both are critical. So if the tail is too long, it will have excessive weathercocking. If it is too small, then the aircraft loses the stability. So designers always ensures that the statical stability derivative will be always positive, but it can be controllable. So for example, in Airbus A320, they are using a digital controlling system. This controls the both aileron and rudder coordinates to limit the adverse yaw from the crosswinds.
Through this study, we learned how aerodynamic design and control the system landing and pilot techniques work together to handle crosswind. The Airbus was stability due to tail design and advanced flight control laws even under wind condition.
Challenging condition. So well done, Jim. This is overview of the there is a study of stability, directional stability as well as the weathercocking effect. The importance of controls during Crosswind landing and the importance of safety has been understood clearly through this case study discussion. Thank you all.
Nice.